They promised to turn $1,000 into $100,000 in just 90 days. I decided not to take their word for it, but to test it myself. I joined a crypto trading marathon. I follow every signal from the organizers, and I show the results exactly as they are. No filters, no fake profits. My name is Ray, and you're watching Ray Invest Way. Let's get started and see if this is actually possible. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and I do not provide investment recommendations. All actions involving cryptocurrencies are taken at your own risk. Let me say a few words about myself. This is my first time ever creating and uploading videos to YouTube. I'm also just learning how to edit videos, so I apologize in advance if there are any mistakes. Feel free to leave your feedback in the comments. I genuinely appreciate constructive criticism. I also want to be clear, I am not a professional trader or a crypto expert. I only have a basic understanding of how exchanges work. And that's exactly the point of this experiment, to see whether someone with no real experience can realistically follow this path. The first thing we need is an account on any centralized exchange. For this experiment, I chose the BingX exchange simply because the marathon host uses this platform for all of their trades. I already have a verified account here, so I'm just logging in using my email and password. If you decide to open an account on this exchange as well, you can use my link in the description. By registering through that link and completing KYC, you may receive additional bonuses. Next, we need to fund the account. I originally had USDC, but it can't be used directly for futures trading on this exchange. So I deposit USDC first and then convert it to USDT. Now the balance is ready. We have 1,013 USDT on the account, and we're waiting for the first trading signals. All right, the first signal has arrived. It's a short trade on ETC Ethereum Classic. Here's the comment from the marathon host. Price has taken liquidity above the range and tested the imbalance zone, which resulted in a reversal structure and the beginning of a correction. After testing the 4-hour imbalance, I expect the decline to continue toward the lower marked price range. The target is around $11.50. You can see the trade parameters on the screen. I open the position and now we wait. It's important to mention that these are intraday trades, not scalping. So it may take a significant amount of time for the setups to fully play out. After opening the trade, I noticed that I couldn't set the stop loss at the exact price I wanted. This might be related to isolated margin, but I'm not entirely sure. If you know why this happens, feel free to explain it in the comments. Soon after that, we received a second signal, another short trade, this time on Litecoin, LTC. Here's the host's comment. The situation is very similar to the previous trade. Liquidity was taken above the range, followed by a test of a key zone, which triggered the start of a correction. I expect this move to continue lower, as marked on the chart. The trade parameters are on the screen. We enter the position and wait to see how the situation develops. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episodes. I'll be documenting everything step by step.